So here we have exclusive unboxing of one of the new 2024 releases. This is actually the first 2024 watch that's out in the market. Watches and Wonders was, I think, last week or so, or 2 weeks ago. So this is crazy what we're about to unbox. And from all of them, it's a Patek. Let's remove this beautiful boxing. We're going to do the unboxing together. Here we go. Step 1, step 2, and here we go, baby. Step 3, the brand new 5164 Aquanaut G. So here we have it. Ladies and gentlemen, the first 2024 watch. And this is the first even in Dubai. This is the 5164G from Patek. And look at this. The first thing you notice, it's very heavy because this new model is out of white gold. They discontinued one model that was stainless steel. Now the new one is white gold. We still have some stickers on it too. Extremely beautiful watch. So this watch is 30 meters water resistant and has a 40 hours power reserve. Obviously, when talking about Patek, we're talking about the highest craftsmanship. Even when I'm winding it, you see it's quiet, and this is so smooth. So let's show you how the watch works. So basically, pull it out. We have home, you have local home, and your date. Your date, you adjust it from this button here. So you just press it with the pin you get. The pin is also made out of white gold, and you're able to change the date easily. Now let's change the time. So basically the time here, the GMT is the one to show you the time in another place. So basically that goes back. Goes up and see local is blue, dark blue, or black if you want to see, and home is white. So that means that home is during the day. Locally it's nighttime. So obviously your home is the see-through one and the local time is the regular time. So to set this up, we set the local time. Yeah, so let's do home. Let's see, home is evening time. Put it as 4 a.m. So you see it's 4 p.m., local is white, and here home it's evening. So you see it's half. It's very simple and easy to use. It is such a cool, extremely cool watch here. It's 41 millimeters. Beautiful watch. So it's 41 millimeters. Beautiful watch with an open case. It's gorgeous. The difference between the old stainless steel and the white gold one is insane. The old stainless steel had a black dial, black rubber bracelet. Again, you could tell the heaviness right away when you pick it up. Same size, same everything, has a date functionality. And the down here is a blue-gray that matches the bracelet. So beautiful watch, available for sale if anyone was looking for it. And maybe it will be sold by the time you watch this video. But this is the first one for 2024. And there you have it. Ladies and gentlemen, the new 2024 Patek Aquanaut 5164. What a beauty.